Women are very strong because they are the daughters. They have to follow the guideline of the society, of the parents, of the brothers, like siblings, and to the in-laws and husbands and children, and to become a mother. I can say women are much, much, much stronger than men. And sometimes, if they will collapse emotionally, they will drain emotionally, they will not be able to do so many things. I'm requesting to all the women, please spend some time with you, like I'm spending time with me after leaving everything on the place where it is. I'm spending time with my soul, with my mind, with my thoughts. Trust me, it's working out. So whenever you are exhausted from your daily routine, from your relationship, from your job, please spend some time with you. There is another point that previously I was not able to walk. Like after my surgery and a long, prolonged sickness, I was I was shivering while walking, and I was so scared of how I will become like before I was so active, and even I was dancing a lot, and now why I'm not able to do that. Slowly I started doing my house chores, and then I decided to go on a fitness camp, and you will not believe I can walk 2 kilometers in the sun, and and confidently, and I feel much, much better than before. I feel energetic. I am eating proper Indian food. I'm eating continental food, which I was not liking before, and I able to digest that all. I wanted to share something with you all today, because when before joining this fitness camp, I was so scared of sounds, like sound of music, high music, and sound of cinema halls, sound of traffic, horns, and sound of vehicle when it is running on the road, and the sound of water. It was scaring me, and today I'm so happy to see that there is a meditation, like I'm doing that, and I'm able to walk in the traffic in the sunny day of South India, and I'm not even finding that sounds which were affecting me a lot before, they are not at all affecting me now. I can walk in the sound. And when you are, I'm spending enough time in the gym, which my doctor said I'm not able to do, but I decided to do it because of my fitness, because I have spent lot of money and time, and I went into depression because of my health. So I'm spending time on my health. And another challenge I'm accepting is swimming. I have the water phobia. I cannot even dip my hand in the cold water, and I cannot swim also. So I have decided to overcome this phobia of water and cold water. Though I am having a lot of allergies, still I have accepted that challenge, and I will do that also. And if I will win that challenge, really I'll be so happy. That will be a great achievement in my passion, in my career as well. So that will it will give, like it will being an overseas career counselor. I have seen so many people who are struggling to settle abroad, and after reaching abroad, I have seen so many things in my career. Being an international human rights chairperson, I have seen so many people are suffering for with relationships, personal things, and jobs, and harassments. Being an grief and bereavement counselor, I have seen people broken, lost, and being an relationship advisor, I have seen so many things. And trust me, even counselors will get affected of those all negative things. So we need a good time for meditation for ourselves. Meditation really will help us to control our mind, to get those things, because I'm not doing it as professionally, because I'm emotionally attached to people, so it's effective. I have to learn to control my mind. My soul should not affect with the pain of others while counseling them, because I'm not working for money. That words and those people suffering, it's affecting me a lot, and it's coming to my brain. And once I'm consuming that words, I'm not able to delete it. So I have to learn new meditation, that others words, others behavior, others thoughts, others opinion, others judgments should not affect my mind, because it's affecting my soul. I have to learn the techniques, and I'm here for that. And I will get it. I'll learn it. And when I'll go back, I hope I will totally be a different person, like more strong, emotionally. I'm connected with the people who are living in rural areas, in um, downtrodden areas, and people those are not able to understand English, people those are not aware about immigration, people are those are not understanding and aware about the relationships, people those are not able to take their decisions. So but they trust me a lot, that's why I cannot leave them. They have prayed for me when I was about to die, when medicines were not working. I have a great connection with the people, those are watching me, and those are listening my advice and applying in their life. So I have to be with them, and I'm working on it. How can I give better ideas